We're on Jalan Mahendradata, straight across the road from the Pertamita petrol station, a little warung called Warung Oli. It's just opened up, we'll go in and check it out. Alright, it's pretty big in here actually. Oh, it's nice. Looks a bit scatty from the front, but it looks good. Hello. Wow, it's pretty big in here, isn't it? It's nice, yeah. And they got a little outdoor area. We'll have a look down the back. Oh, and then upstairs as well. Alright, never eaten in here before. So nice AstroTurf here. Kids' play sets down the back. They got the upstairs up there. And a nice little area way down the back here. Very nice. It's really big in here compared to what it looks at the front. Just like a little warung, you know. But yeah, very nice. Little fish here. Little pond. Right, so it's all Indonesian food. Got spring rolls, bakwan, fried chicken, fried rice, dumplings or soy mein. Got ribs, which is good. Soto ayam soups, salad Vietnam, salad Sahat, healthy salad, soup gourami, so they've got a fish soup as well. Chicken steaks, all different types of satay. It's a pretty good menu actually. Everything, chicken, duck, rice plates. Alright. We're just going to have something simple. Maybe I'll get a soto. What do you think you're going to get?
Maybe we get a couple meals and share.
Es teh tawar 1 sama es jeruk kelapa dikit es 1. Ya.
Thank you. Alright. It's a lot for breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast, brunch.
Huh? Well, it's sort of like a brunchy. It's 10:30 or something, so we ordered a fair bit, I think, maybe too much, but we haven't had breakfast, so this is a brunch and early lunch. Breakfast, lunch. It's very nice in here. Very nice, I really like it. I'm glad we come in now when it first opened because there's no one in here. It's nice and peaceful. But it's a very nice setting, nice and shady, nice and cool. We've got fans everywhere. So yeah, it's very good. So we got sayur asam. It's like a sour vegetable soup sort of thing. Some white rice, and we're still waiting for the fish and the prawns to come.
Here it comes.
Oh, and here they are.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow, look at it all. So this is the cabai gourami. This is fish, and this is prawns. Wow. Looks good, look at that.
Yum, yum.
Okay, so I think I'll just put the rice aside. Look at that, like king prawns, look at that. Big battered king prawn. Cabai asam goreng is like a salty battered chili prawn. Oh yeah. Very good. Oh, it's a bit spicy. And this is the fish. The cabai gourami fish. Try that out. It's alright. Gourami is like a freshwater fish. But yeah, not too bad at all. I like the prawns better, so I'll be hooking into them. A little bit of rice, a little bit of prawn. Definitely got a bit of that salty taste. Plenty of chilli in it. Very nice. Try out a bit of the veggie. Bit of the veggie, bit of the soup, bit of the rice.
Sour.
Yeah, it's sort of sweet and sour. Yeah, it is. Not too bad.
Yeah.
I'm going to hook into these prawns. I'll see you when I finish it. Alright. These fish pieces are really good. Not bad at all. See that it's got a lot of chili and like shallots and things like that all over it. You can see they're covered in like chili and shallots and onions and things like that. And it's really spicy. Get a little bit of that with a bit of your fish and rice. And that spices it right up. I don't get excited much at my age, but good food gets me off for sure. Made short work of those prawns. Oh, really good. Absolutely smashed the prawns and the fish. Lily's even eating the crunch off the bones. Good stuff. This place is really good actually. I've never eaten any before, and yeah, it's definitely worth a look. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description. So how much was that?
250, but I got 10% off because I tag on Instagram.
Alright. So it was 250, but we got a 10% discount because Yuli tagged this Warung on her Instagram. If you tag them, you get a 10% discount, which is, yeah, easy to do. So anyway, it's a pretty good deal. More or less than 25 bucks for the fish, the prawns, a few drinks, and the soup. Great deal. Come and check it out. Di Warung Ole on Jalan Mahandrada. Okay, we're here at KONRO KARABOSI Baru now. This restaurant is originally from Makassar in Sulawesi. Now they're everywhere now. They're in Jakarta, they're in Surabaya and Java, they're in Bali, they're all over the place. Same owner, he's just grown so big and popular. They're everywhere now. So let's go in and check it out. So we're at this little Makassar Warung. It's Makassar SKK, KONRO KARABOSI Baru. It's got a pretty basic menu. It's just got the konyo bakar, which is like ribs, beef ribs grilled, or just beef ribs boiled, or the chotai Makassar. You got like these little jalan kadi, these are like little pasties, and then you got different types of rice. There's also pisang hijau and like desserts as well. Very basic menu, but very good. So this is a little kitchen. These are the grilled ribs. Let's check that out. Thank you, sir. And this is like the chotaya. Say the chotaya. There are all the ribs boiling away there. So they boil the ribs in those big pots first, and then they grill them. They're really tender, really good.
That's yours. That's mine.
Thank you. Take your suit. Alright, just check out the size of them ribs. It's a whole plate. There's 2 big ribs there. You get a little soup with it and the rice. This is really, really good. I got the 2 big ribs, so you get double ribs, and I think it's about 75,000, about $7. You only got a set, you get a drink, the rice, the soup, and only 1 rib, and I think it's 50,000, $5. But it's well worth it. Just check out how much meat's there. Okay, so I'll show you how tender these ribs are. They're more or less just, the meat will just fall off the bone, you know. Look at that. And we're going to take these bones home for Lucy. Let's try a bit of that meat. Wow, it's really good. See how it just falls off the bone, so tender. Alright, so we're going to try a bit of rice, a bit of the meat. Look at that. So I put a bit of soup onto the rice, give it a bit of a beefy flavour. So good. Now, I really like beef ribs a lot better than pig ribs. A lot of places, you know, they got the baby pig ribs, you know, everywhere you go, but there's not too many places around that are good size beef ribs around. You get a lot more meat on the beef ones. If you ask me, way better to eat. Take them rib bones home for Lucy, she's going to love that. Alright, so that was really good, really good. It was about 150,000, about, you know, $14 Australian. Very cheap, the ribs are really good. It's on Jalan Dewi Sri, but not the main Jalan Dewi Sri, so I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description. Check it out. KARABOSI.